than 2 months since he first floated the idea of tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico, Donald Trump says there's nothing either country can do to stop him.
They've treated us very unfairly. And I say, why should we be subsidizing Canada? It's wonderful. I have so many friends in Canada. It's a great place.
Is there a concession
But
you're looking for, sir?
no, we're not looking for a concession. And we'll just see what happens.
Today is
Ce soir, j'annonce la réplique du Canada. Des tarifs douaniers de 25 sur 155 milliards de dollars de marchandises américaines. Dès mardi, 30 milliards de dollars de produits américains vont être touchés par ces tarifs et dans 21 jours, pour donner le temps aux compagnies canadiennes de trouver des options alternatives, ce sera le cas pour 125 milliards de dollars de marchandises de plus.